We are going to take a look at a Timesavers 2-head heavy-duty 24-inch wide belt sander. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. It is very rare to find a 24-inch wide belt sander with the specs of a heavier sander. This sander was originally purchased for $35,985, not including shipping. The first head is a 6-inch helical groove drum that is powered by a 25 horsepower motor. The second head is a finishing head with a 2.5-inch wide platen, and it is powered by a 20 horsepower motor. The capacity is 24 inches wide with a 6 3/4 inch thickness capacity. The conveyor is nice and long, measuring in at 72 inches and is powered by a 2 horsepower inverter controlled motor with a newer feed mat. The height is motorized. On top of all this, the machine has shoes. Other features include electronic eye tracking, auto height calibration, dual amp meters, mechanical numeric height readouts, and a full set of manuals.